Good morning! We finally got our oil-based food coloring. There you go, guys. It is a 12 pieces. It's vegan, tasteless, highly concentrated, and non-GMO. 12 pieces. So, ganito lang siya kaliit, guys. Here. It's fully concentrated. Fully grain, matcha grain. We have matcha grain. Red. White, blue-green, orange, sky blue, yellow, purple, black, green, hot pink, and navy blue. There you go. I got this one, guys, because this is the oil base is highly recommended for melting chocolate. If you need food coloring for your white chocolate melt, recommended this one. You got this one, guys. You get this one. So cute. Ang cute. Yeah.